Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Radhika from Radhika's Trade Book. Let me share with you my stock analysis for today. Today we'll analyze three stocks which have given good breakouts. Okay, the first stock for today is NRB Bearings. NRB Bearings is a 60-year-old Mumbai-based company which is into manufacturing of different types of bearings. And almost 90% of the vehicles in India are using the parts of NRB Industries. So let me show you the chart. This is the weekly chart of NRB bearings. If you can observe here, I'll just zoom in a bit. If you observe this part, it has given a very good breakout. I'll just draw a horizontal line. See here. Here if you observe, it has given a very good breakout, and the red candle following this breakout candle, green candle, this has also given a very good retest. So the stock can be bought at the price of 150. Okay, and the target, and let me show you the target by zooming in a bit out. Okay, the next high level, this level around 180, I'm taking as the target. I'm taking this level, the next resistance level as target, which is around 180, and the low of this swing around 130 we can take as the I'm taking a horizontal ray. The low of this swing, that is around 130, can be taken as the stop loss for this trade. Okay, around 130 can be taken as the stop loss. So this is the analysis of NRB bearings. And now let's move on to the second stock. The second stock for today is Finolex Cables Limited. This is a very famous Indian manufacturer company which manufactures electrical and telecommunication cables. It is a 63-year-old company based in Pune. So let us quickly see the chart of this Finolex cables. This is the daily chart of Finolex cables, and if you observe here, this is an uptrend since March 2020. This is the trend line, and it is clearly in uptrend since March 2020. So let me zoom in the chart to show you the entry exit points. So if you observe here, it has given a good breakout at this point. See? I'm just drawing a horizontal line. It has given a good breakout, and here if you see the volumes are also very good. And if I zoom in a bit, yeah, if I zoomed in a bit, this is coming to give a retest here with this red candle. So so the stock can be accumulated in the range of 550 to 560 in dips. Okay, for target, I'll just zoom it out. The next high point, that is around 700, which is around here. The next resistance, which is around 700, I'm taking this as the target. Okay, and for the stop loss, the low of this swing, which is around 480. For the stop loss, I'm taking the low of this swing, around 480. Okay, this is the stop loss. So this is the entry, exit, and stop loss for Phenolic stock. And let's move on to the next stock. The last stock for today is Lux Industries Limited. This is an Indian based company headquartered in Kolkata, and it is a 60-year-old company which is into manufacturing of hosiery for men, women, and children. And all its brands are also very famous. The famous Lux Cozy is one of its famous brand. So let us look into the chart of Lux Industries. And this is also in an uptrend. I'll just show it to you. This is also in an uptrend, and it has given a good breakout here. The volume also is very good. The volume here is very good, and it has given a breakout. See, it has given a breakout at this point, and at the same time, it has given the retest also. If you observe this red candle, it has exactly tested this level, and if you observe this red candle, it has given a retest here. So this can be accumulated in the range of 4350 to 4400. Since this stock is trading at its lifetime high, I have used range calculation method to calculate its target, and I got it to be around 5200. And stop loss, I have taken the low of this swing, which is around 3900. This is the stop loss around 3900. We can uh, take the stop loss. So this is all about Lux Industries. Hope you liked my analysis. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. For more updates, please join my Telegram channel. That's all, folks, for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.